Uh, okay, Assalamualaikum. Almost selamat tengah hari semua. Okay, I hope everyone can see me. This is always my problem with podiums. Okay, saya ada ramai orang untuk saya beri penghargaan. Terima kasih hari ini. Jadi saya harap I'm definitely going to miss someone. Saya harap tak ada yang berkecil hati. Tapi mungkin pertama sekali I want to express how honoured, betapa saya sangat berbesar hati dan bagi pihak Idea sangat berendah hati sebenarnya kerana dapat melaksanakan projek ini. Saya rasa dah sejak tahun 2022 atau 2023 kita mula, dan ini adalah penutup, dan saya rasa it's such a great honour untuk kami sebagai sebuah badan pemikir yang berpusatkan di Kuala Lumpur untuk bekerja dengan komuniti orang asli, masyarakat orang asli di Gua Musang di Kelantan, dan it is really just a great honour, and the pleasure is ours really. Saya tahu banyak kredit diberi kepada Ideas pada hari ini, tetapi sebenarnya it is us who should thank everyone here, to thank the community kerana memberi peluang dan ruang kepada kami. Pertama sekali saya sepenuh penghargaan sebenarnya kepada Yayasan Sime Darby for unwavering support all these years, throughout all the challenges that we face. Yayasan Sime Darby tak pernah turn away daripada Ideas, dan untuk pengetahuan semua, Yayasan Sime Darby juga merupakan penyokong funder yang sangat setia dengan kami daripada mula sebenarnya, the Ideas founding dulu, dan juga untuk Ideas Autism Center. Jadi kami ada sekolah untuk anak-anak autism yang juga disokong oleh Yayasan Sime Darby yang sejak sekian lama. Jadi terima kasih Dr. Hajaya Tella, kami berbesar hati Tunku Tan Sri juga dapat bersama kami pada hari ini. Yang kedua, Dr. Surya Selassie Anjit. Saya rasa we learn more from you really throughout this project. Alhamdulillah, I think our collaboration has resulted in this reports, in this community, in this network that we have built together, and I hope that this is something we can continue, and thank you for all that you have done as well for your community and for Orang Asli children. Our implementing partners, IIUM, USIM and also LibEd, terima kasih for being such collaborative partners. All the great work that you have done with the children in the schools is something that we really appreciate. Terima kasih banyak-banyak. Kepada Sekolah Menengah Kebangsaan Panggung Jaya SMK Tunku Indra Petra, murid-murid dan guru yang hadir pada hari ini, terima kasih kerana sudi join program kami pada pagi ini, all the way from Gua Musang. Ada booth ya daripada dua-dua sekolah di luar, dan juga kita ada photo voice exhibition. Saya harap selepas majlis berakhir, penonton hadirin semua boleh view all the exhibits that are outside on display and give their support to our students ya. Kepada PPD Gua Musang, JPN Kelantan, Kementerian Pendidikan Malaysia dan juga JAKWA, setinggi-tinggi penghargaan daripada kami. We could not carry out this program ya. Program ini takkan dapat dilaksanakan pun tanpa collaborative energy daripada semua kita punya stakeholders dari kerajaan. Jadi terima kasih banyak, kami sangat hargai kerjasama. Our SEED community partners, I hope I don't miss anyone ya. So Yayasan Gamuda, Teach for Malaysia, Rhythm Foundation, LibEd, Pemimpin GSL, IIUM, USIM, UMK, My Readers, Cumbaka and Rimau. Thank you so much for your participation, all the meetings that we have had, the workshops that we've held. So I hope that this can be the first step to hopefully creating a more meaningful network in the future. I know that we've gotten interest already ya, Dr. Yatella, untuk kita teruskan this collaboration, this network. To the fourth, Elroy is here today, Elroy Enzining, thank you so much kepada the fourth yang the fourth produce the video yang anda semua baru saja tonton. Dan sebelum ini juga dalam projek sekolah kita that we did a few years ago, the previous iteration of this project was also led by The Fourth. Jadi saya rasa The Fourth mungkin bukan nama yang asing lah bagi semua yang berminat dengan impact journalism, dengan multimedia, format, journalism dan sebagainya. I think The Fourth is really at the forefront of this. So thank you so much, KLPAT, Kuala Lumpur Performing Arts Centre, for providing us with this very beautiful venue. For those of you who are here for the first time, tadi agak kagum dengan the park and this beautiful venue. So thank you to KLPAT. To the Ideas team, of course, to the main researcher actually, Dura, thank you so much and congratulations for seeing this through until the end with the supervision of course, Alisa and Dr. Stewart. Thank you so much. To Faiz, who I think has been the main person in charge lah yang connect all the different stakeholders for this project. Faiz has been with us since the beginning of this project. Zudi, Adam, Ryan, of course, who have put together the event today. Thank you so much for all the hard work. I also have to actually thank our former staff, who some of them are here today, who have been involved in this project. Melanie, to Yvonne, to Izzati, I don't know if Izzati is here, to Uni, I think who was here, and then to Dr. Gita as well. Thank you so much. And we are we wouldn't be here without all the hard work that you put in at the beginning of the project. Okay, so I think I've gotten through my long list. Thank you so much everyone, once again. I am deeply honoured that Ideas has been given this opportunity, diberi peluang untuk melaksanakan projek yang saya rasa sangat bermakna, dan tinggi harapan saya bahawa kita punya kerjasama takkan berakhir di sini pada hari ini, dan saya look forward lah untuk teruskan kita punya kolaborasi untuk kemajuan pendidikan orang asli di masa hadapan. Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.